spring, step into a stylish new creative mood. Our upgraded black-white UV resin kit brings over 300 accessories to unlock your imagination. With black-white, in clear UV resin, upgraded metal frames, dry flowers, chains, and even an electric drill, achieving pro-level results has never been easier. Beginner-friendly and effortless. Just decorate, pour, cure, and assemble. Make earrings, pendants, keychains, and more, all in a clean, modern aesthetic. Every piece is gift-ready with included display cards. Treat yourself or surprise someone special. Every creation tells a story. Start your spring masterpiece. Explore the black-white UV resin jewelry all in one kit now. The perfect blend of nature and luxury, turning ordinary leaves into timeless gold. With our all-in-one coaster kit, you can elevate the beauty of nature into lasting art. It's simple. Gild your leaves with gold foil, seal them in resin, and watch them transform into heirloom-worthy pieces. Heat-resistant, durable, and one-of-a-kind. For those who cherish craftsmanship and the planet, it's the perfect gift. Turn a single leaf into a legend. Click now to explore the kit.